In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear the cache on your Samsung Smart Television. So if you're having issues with an app, maybe it's running slowly or it's just not working correctly, then clearing the cache and the memory can actually go and solve these issues. So all we need to do is first just head over to our Samsung home screen. So I'm just going to click on the home button on my TV remote like this. And once you're on the home page, we're just going to use that arrow key to scroll all the way over to the left-hand side. And we need to click on settings. You can then give that a couple of seconds while it loads up your TV settings. And then from here, we need to scroll all the way down to support and then use the right arrow key to come across. And then we're going to scroll down and select device care. Now, once again, give that a few seconds while it loads up. And the first thing we're going to do is scroll down to where it says manage storage and go and click on this. Now that's going to load up all of the different applications that are installed on your TV. And to go and clear the cache, we can simply scroll over to the app that we want to clear. You can then scroll down to view details. And you see we have the option here to go in delete the cache. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on this clear cache button. And after a few seconds, that will clear the cache for this specific app. Now we can also clear the cache and the memory of our entire TV. So if you just press the back arrow on your TV remote 2 times, you should come back over to this menu here. You can then scroll up and click on Start Device Care. And by using this diagnostic tool, this is automatically going to clear your television cache. So just wait for this to get to 100%. And just like that, we have now cleared all of our cache data. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.